Before starting our Mustang trip, we make a list, and there are a lot of place of tourists we have mentioned over there. And out of that, we have visited many more places like Muktinath Temple, like Johnson, like Marfa Village, Tukuche Village, and right now we are in Baglung. When we are coming from there, we have seen a nameplate of Welcome to Baglung. We just have opened our diary where we have written many more places name and seen Baglung is also the part of our trip. So we are going to visit Ma Kali Temple here, which is very famous. And you can see that what a deep of the mountain, only within 100 of the meters. Really an amazing trip we have completed. We are going to complete. We have only 2 days left here to see these things, these mountains, trying to explore many more things. And this journey will not end. We will continue from the last point of our this trip.